Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Preeti. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, that's very, very nice. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good.
How was the weekend?
It was okay. It's not great, not bad.
Your weekend not bad. Your weekend should be very good because you're young. You're definitely going out, enjoying your time, eating good food. True?
That's probably like enough for you to call a good weekend, right?
Yeah, I will say that it's a good weekend because when the youngsters are like happy, they feel it's a good weekend.
Yeah, it's actually right.
Yeah, because for me, I look at my systems, I look at my things, and my health was a little bit tired this week and not feeling well because I add up some of proteins in my diet and which give me some allergy. So I took a good rest and now I'm much fine. I'm already okay. So I'm now focusing
Okay.
back on work. How about you? Did you
I'm
trade
good.
today?
Actually, the background music is louder than your voice right now.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I will shut it down, that music, because I was thinking it's just mild music. I didn't know that. Now, is that fine?
Yes, now it's better.
Okay, I put it on very low. If you want, I can check, like switch it off.
Better now.
Better now. With light music, when we are not talking, at least, some music is there.
Yes.
So, did you trade today or not?
I did not.
Okay, no worries. Nobody's
I
saying
was
anything.
actually waiting for a level, though
Yeah.
I missed like
Okay.
I actually decided to like skip this short move, but now I regretted like why have I missed it?
For the shot just now, right?
Yeah, I was actually looking for buys from somewhere between like
I actually did a sell over on the top and I cashed it down some of the pips and I was okay with that. That I actually started coming back to my normal routine to start making money. So I was happy.
nice.
Yeah, because
Let's
I
see, like
yeah, yeah.
I think it's like power is speaking right now, so
Oh,
I was
that's why
actually waiting for all of that to get over first.
yeah, I also do that. I close my trade and I'm far away, sitting far away, so that I shouldn't do any mistake. Because if you are trading when he's speaking and the market moves really one kind, you can really lose a big.
Yeah.
So I'm very careful with that. I immediately close my profits and I say, okay, bye bye. Actually, if I was holding, I was in a sell, so it will be great. But no, it's okay. I'm feeling better because I feel that rather than taking a risk as a gambler, I better get out and book the profits. Is better for me.
Yeah, it's much better.
Yeah. So today, shall we discuss some of the simplest strategy also again?
Yes, we can do that.
Yes, I will show everyone. This indicator I created uh, like last year, and it's also quite nice. Actually, I've created hundreds of the indicators custom based on the math logics. I'm going to share today this one. Let's share the screen. Share screen. Okay. Huh? Sure. Okay, okay, I understood better with the mistake this one. Okay, all right. So that's very good. At least I know our last time doing what mistake that we cannot see the screen. Okay, now we are here going to share the screen. Okay, my friends. Now you can see this chart, right? Here, I am going to show that. You see, there are blue dots and there are red dots, correct? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. These are based on a simple logic. What is the logic? I will explain that now. If we see one very interesting point, that every time when there is a first candle breakout, it like always try to like go against the direction. Like, you will see a lot of places, especially in arranging place. Okay, uh, you will see like when there is a single candle breakout, and then you see single candle breakout down, and then single candle breakout up. Correct? Single candle breakout down, and then you see after that it was struggling, and then only with the down again, but not the continuation. Hopefully, you're getting my point.
Yeah.
Okay. So what will happen? A lot of people, if they are taking the first candle breakout, they get into the trap. Like in the range market, they will get into the trap. If you take a 1 hour time frame as well, you will see. I don't know what the reason is not showing. Okay. Okay. So never mind. We talk about it. In this, you can see the first dot, and then when the second dot appears, it's showing that the market is already going up. Correct? The trend is already a buy trend. So when the first breakout happened and second breakout happened, I took, let's say, a buy trade, stop loss. Here is my buy trade. Here is my stop loss. Correct? 1353 points. These 135 pips. Target 191 pips. If I want to close, or I want to close half of the trade and let the other side run. And when the sell red comes, but I'm seeing that it's higher, it's another higher, it's another higher. So I will not take the sell trade in this. I'll just take the buy trade. See here? Correct?
So
Same
you
goes.
like wait for the um second
Second,
dot to appear.
first is first signal, then second is second signal, and it should be higher than the first signal. You see here, it was down, and then this is going up. Correct?
Yeah.
And when we see, we enter the trade here on this candle breakout, and we take a low of lower low. We can take a higher low low, but I believe low low is much better. And we see the nearest target and the main target. Main target is 338 pips, and our draw stop loss is 2,800. Like 287 pips is stop, and 337 pips more than 1:1. We can take the trade, and then we can see that we write the trend if we hold the trade, and then exit on this red dot. So second dot to enter, first red dot to exit. And when you see here now the red dot appears, can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it is lower than this. We take a sell trade. You see, we never take this stop. We take this stop, correct? The higher, this stop. So it never hits, and market definitely go hit the target, or we can continue right the trend. Same goes to next trade, correct? You saw that.
Yes.
Yeah, we draw the line so you will see very clear. All the three trades hit the profit. Now let's go to the next trade. Where sell, stop, TP, and exit, and a small profit here. And then comes to people will say, "Oh, you are showing on the chart like this, like this." First of all, whatever I create, my indicators are always non-repaint. Non-repaint means after the signal once generated, it will never go off. So what you're seeing right now, while the market was running, also the signal was generated. It was there. Whether the market go immediately down, also the dot will be there. It will not be wiped off. Why? I can show you some of the dots are exactly in the candles. You see here? Can we see this dot is inside the candle? Why? Because after it trades, definitely market cross the dot, but dot was never distributed, and then it goes down. So mm, I know how to create the indicators which do not reach. It's a simple logic. I will explain that also. You see, this also trade profitable. Mm, This also trade. Somewhere we enter here and we exit over here. So small profit, and then lower and higher. Enter over here. Stop among them. This is the low, and then if we are exiting on this level, definitely we have a loss. And if we are looking at R to R and we are making it as a break even, this was my low 871, this was my high 864, almost 1 to 1. So I make it break even. The market goes quite high, which is 260, 870 very good movement also. And then the market drops and I get into break even. So also beautiful. And then this trade we are looking into sell over here and a stop over here 3062 360, and this is 278, less than 1:1. If you are taking this trade, let's say end of the day still it like a profit, or you can close at a break even or whatever, means up to so far you can see that no loss. Make logically sense?
Yes.
You see here, trade, stop. I will show you. Okay, so here is my trade entry, here is my stop entry. You see below this candle, and this is my target 240 to 260 somewhere. So it's less than 1 to 1. So if you want to take the trade, you take the trade and you can ride the trend and exit somewhere here. So you see it's 1626 pips, correct?
Yes.
So you will get the trends as well, you will get the all range trades as well. Here we didn't get a sell. Give me a moment, please. All right. So if we look at this trade after this is still going up and this also still going up. We can see that it's up and this also up. So there is no sell trade. I always do our alternative trades. Uh, if I am going a buy here, example in this, so this and my stop, I will tell you what that means. I was just saying my stop loss never hit, you see, and market after opening the trade definitely have, you see, break down my dot and never break my stop, and reach 1:1. Yeah, almost 1:1 plus a little bit, and then it's going up and then exit somewhere here, still profit 450 500 pips, which is also good profit. So Now, actually, after the buy, I will be looking for the sell and then will be look for buy. But here, there was no sell, so okay, so this is the buy. All right, here is the sell code. This one, first drop from the high to the low, and then low to the high. High to the low, and we have the exit here. We have the one entry here. So it will be a small drop if we are entering this trade. Definitely, we have a entry here. We have a stop here. 66. Oh, quite less than 1:1. It's a 0.80, $1 risk and 0.80 cents profit. If you're going into this trade, definitely you have a small loss. Avoid when it is less than 1:1, too much less actually. Here is the entry, so here that much is my loss. Out of all the trades, only this trade has been into loss if we have taken up that trade. And now we are looking into this buy trade. The stop is here. The target is 1:1. Now the target is less than 1:1. If you want to take, you can take. If you are taking this, then you can take this as well, and your exit is somewhere here. So reward is 1.7. There, this will be a beautiful trade-off. Yeah. And all the way it was going down, but here will be a small loss. This will be a good profit. So majority of them are in profit, and profits are good. Correct?
Yes.
Here is your stop 365, and here is your target 394. One is 1.1, very good. And then you can exit over here somewhere from here. Or you can even trail if you want to. Example, not looking at this trend, that's why I'm saying you can trail as well with rather than closing on this. When it happens, you make a trade uh, break even. Here's your entry. Sorry, here you make the trade exactly break even, and then trail on this red dot height. You see, once the red dot come, oh sorry, the stop loss hit. The stop loss. You see here and then here. You see here, you stop something here. Again, the entry is here. Your stop will be something here. So in this way, you will ride the biggest trend and you will exit somewhere. Also is a triple trade. Over 390, 3,000, almost 4,000 pips, $400 more. Good money. So when, yeah, it was a trending when I was also making money. So if you have gone into this like this trade, example, top is you see so near, even 95 pips. In gold at this volatility moment, 95 pips is nothing. And you see alone here the moment is already 1,500, 15 times more than the R2R. Correct?
Wow.
Yeah. Some places R2R was like 20 even, the previous behind ones. You see here R2R will be very massive also. And then you can add a filter as well. You can add a moving average filter of a higher time frame, like example, you see here. If you have a moving average, you have open this trade only, sell, all the sell. You have filtered all like buy trades here. But if you're going into buy as well, you're not getting into the losses. You see, if you trail the trades, like okay, I enter here on this first movement. I'm going to explain you that as well. It's called swing trading. You can do scalping, you can do swing on same system. You don't have to change the system. Like okay, entry here, my stop is here, my exit will be when my sell trade will start. Make sense? And when my
Yes.
sell trade, where I will finish when my buy trade will start. Correct?
Yes.
Buy, sell, now here buy, or here buy, actually, or here buy, you see, or you can trail as well. It depends upon you what you want to do, how you want to do. Like here in this trade, there was no buy, only first buy here. So you definitely have read the whole trend up to here. And this trade also you have traded some way here. Like beautiful trades. This system in the range market also will not give you like losses like the other system sometimes gives. See entry here, stop here, 160 pips. TP here, which was hit already. You see, almost 1:2 plus, and stop never hit. If you want to exit over here, you can exit over here. If you want to exit over on the target, you can exit on the target. If you want to trade, you can exit something here at break even or lose. Like anything, it's your choice. Nobody is compelling. Like my trades also, sometime I will do. I will feel like okay, the market is not moving much. I better go on to break even. I close the trade on break even then, rather than holding now and waiting for the bigger losses. And some places I will let the trade run. Some places I will do that. Now, what we will do is we will go on the current market. What market is doing now? After the power, market is a bit up. Let's go on the lower time frame. More lower time frame. Okay. You see the trade over here. Correct.
Yes.
We have an entry here. We have a stop here. Did the stop hit? Never. Market goes up and hit the target. Yes. Okay. You can close. Scalping means entry and target. Scalping. Nearby targets are
Okay.
always targets. So this is simple, very very easy and high win rate strategy which everybody can use in their life. And any time frame you see, this is right now on 1 minute. Previously we were looking at 15 minutes. Any time frames you can see. Okay, let's go on 5 minutes. You see here. I will delete the previous all the 15-minute signals. Now we will go on 5 minutes. Sell entry was here. Next sell entry was here. Correct. So it's lower than this. Correct. Yeah. So we took a sell. We have a stop. 175 points. Oh, less than 1:1, quite less. 1:0.7. So it's your choice. And 400 points. So any time frame you choose, anywhere. You see from here
What's
as well.
the name of this indicator?
You will never find these indicators in the market. These are my designed custom indicators, my logic, my indicators. I design, I code through group. Nowhere you will find this. These are not available in the market.
Okay.
I have generated, okay, I will tell you, more than 350 indicators custom with the coders, which they quite number of them they are selling in the market. That's what I was telling that one of the indicator which is sold in the market in Indian two people. One is a girl. uh, I don't want to say her name or the like indicator name, but she's selling, and the other guy also saying the name and selling. He's selling that indicator also, and this girl is saying that oh, she's giving at the moment free data, she will charge this and that, blah blah blah. Or this indicator can predict the market. No, they cannot. None indicator can predict. If it can predict, you should be not a millionaire, you should be a billionaire within 1 year. No indicator can predict. Even this cannot predict. I'm not telling you the lie. This is what I have calculated. I have analyzed the charts. I have seen very carefully how and what the market behaves, how market moves. According to that, mathematically, I design, I add some filters, and then after logics, I create the code. I don't know coding. I ask the ChatGPT and group help to get the free coding for me done. And once the code is done, the indicator I plot on the chart and I see it's working. Yes, it's working. So that's where I'm explaining you. Okay, the dot is here, breakout second is here, the stop is here, 210 pips. The target is here, 156 less than. Definitely R2R. You want to take trade, you can hold it on. When the target hit, you make the trade break even, and you see market goes and hit break even. So that's how you can do that. If you don't want to go into the break even, you feel that okay, losses, no problem, then you hold the trade until it goes to the higher levels. You see it. So you can ride the bigger trend as well. See, because after this, the market was going down and then it pulls up and gives you the entry, and then it goes up, never hit the T1 also, and go and hit your stop loss. And then after that, you have a sell, and it also hit the stop. And then buy is not there, sell, sell is there, no, sell is also not there. So now this sell was there, definitely yes, and this was exited by the buy as well in a small loss, but buy is riding the big. Overall, if you see one point, there is a market direction. Direction is up. So try to only take the buy trades wherever the signal comes. See here, here. So buy, let's say if you don't want to go on this, this is definitely a buy. This is definitely a buy signal. Definitely a buy signal. And this definitely a buy signal. Right that way. Definitely a buy signal. Then definitely a buy signal. And right that way. You can play around as the way you feel you're comfortable. If you want to take each and every signal, you can take that. If you want to filter them, you can take that. If you want to filter the trend as well, you can take only that those trades who are like in the sell trend. Okay, this is the high, this is low, first low. I will take this trade, and then I will take this sell trade, and then I will take this sell trade, and then I will take this sell trade, then this first sell trade, and then this was selected. And after that, the market start moving up. Then market is going up, so I will start looking for buy trades, buy, buy. No more sell. But if you want to, you can add the sell as well. It's your choice. Nobody is going to ask you what you're doing. It's all your money, your risk, how much you're going to take, how you're going to trade with them. It's all you. Nobody is saying anything to you. And if you are earning the money, definitely you will be and your family will be happy. But if you are losing the money, definitely you and your family both will suffer. So be careful when you're trading. That's where how I create the logics, simple as it is, and they work. When people are showing them, oh, you can do this, this is the complication, this one, this, never go into too much complicated things. It will not help you. It will never help you. You see, it's a 1 hour time frame. Sell over here, correct? Stop over here, 753 pips. Target over here, double almost 2.2 R2R. And then when you're riding the trend, it goes actually how far you can see. Wow, it's almost like 8 times R2R 128. But you can exit over somewhere, wherever you like. In trail, you can exit somewhere, wherever you like. Okay, you are not exiting here, you can definitely exit here because now it's already confirming a strong buy. Here, strong buy. So still you make almost 1:4 R2R. It'll be more than that. Now you are in the buy. 535 bits. TP. Definitely 2.2. And then second rate will definitely exit. So 1:3 R2R plus. So very good. So means which time frame is suitable for you, trade in that and take your profits. You see, if we have been entered into this trade with the stop loss 415 bits and with the TP, see, you see my signal here. One of the other system also have a signal here, which you can see here, correct?
Yeah.
The alert. So 184, and here stop 43. 4, 8, 12, 16, almost 4.2, 4.1, 4.3 somewhere like your TP R2R. Beautiful. You enter the trade on 26th and 27th, you relax, and after 3 days, you enjoy. If you risk, example, of 1% with the top firm, you have already earned 1 to 4, already 4.2. Correct? So that's how this will work. This system is beautiful, simple, and profitable. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, great. That's the main point. If you understand already, that's very good. So, any other questions about this system?
I'm not really. I'll have to like back test it by myself and I have to understand it by myself. The one thing that I have like noticed about your indicators and the strategies that you use, they have very small stop loss and they're simple most of all. Not really complicated. You don't have to look at 10 things, right?
I don't use market indicators. They are all designed to let you lose. Trust me, I have tried everything. I have spent 19 years on developing, testing, R&D, research and development. Spend a lot of money. You can say in US dollars, 7 figures on research and development in last 19 years. That much I spent, a lot of money. And
Hmm.
then when I tested everything and then I understand that all these things are not working, then I start creating mathematical systems. These are all mathematical systems. R2R should be there, then only open the trade. Market should be higher. This should be the filter. We cannot use this filter. We cannot use that filter. So everything very designed in such a way that it's not complicated, but when you enter the trade, you will definitely make the money. If you
Oh,
really risk carefully, uh, I'm not saying in a day, but in few days, if you are using a smaller time frame as well, like this is or this one, what you are looking at is the 1 hour. But if you go in 1 minute, in like a 2 3 days or week maximum, push you can say push maximum 1 week, you will definitely end up passing the top. You just have to simply follow the strict rules. They are stop means stop. Hit the stop means let it go. See here,
so like
enter.
even if you have done all the analysis and you have the bias, you have the direction, uh, you can still like if you think you are not making the right entries, so you can use these indicators, right?
Yes, I can use these indicators, but the key point I will tell you today. When I was young, I can work 28, 30 hours very easily. Like I have done that, not once, multiple times. Like because I was very strong physically and mentally as well. But now, as per my age and my health, I'm physically not that strong. If anything happens, my mind also like can't think properly at the time because I'm tired first of all, and if there's allergy and if there's some reaction, my already the whole system shakes up and I can't focus. Then I do mistakes. Manually is always like that. But when it comes to EA or anything system which is automatically which I have designed, they will work 101% as per to what it is designed. Then there is no issues. And if you say I don't do mistakes, no, I do mistakes. I'm a human. I do mistakes because of I told you my health issues and other reasons. But if you are like yourself, like you are young, you are if you are healthy and you can focus and you can put the time, definitely with the system which I have, you will make good money.
Right.
Because you can see what I'm showing. I just show you on the screen. That is the reality. I mean, there is no such thing that, oh, people say, okay, you can go here, go on the chart behind. Why you cannot show on the running time frame chart? I can show you on the running time frame chart. See this one. After this one, somewhere, yeah, movement is coming. Something that's happening. Just waiting if the signal if you can see a light. Yeah, I miss it. So because I change the screen. Because let's go here. The signal over here with the stop loss somewhere here. The TP you can take this one. 552 almost here. Let's see. I will stop as well. Wait a little bit higher. So we have a stop, correct? Entry bar here, turn here, and TP is this one. Actually, nearest TP was there, which is already executed, but that is very less. So it's no work. So we will look for this 30. Let's see.
Do we have a giveaway today?
Oh, let's do a giveaway today as well. If there are people who come online, do you think so anybody come online? Then we will definitely do a giveaway. If nobody comes, sorry for that. In the morning, definitely there were people. I saw, and they send the messages. I actually tell them don't drop me a message because I'm trading my mind attention diverts. You can talk to each other. I will not reply. 2 days ago, I told them. So about the giveaway, I think so. They were thinking that we will only do the giveaway if they are going to come online, but they don't understand. I am telling there's three type of giveaway. One is if they come online, we will definitely give to the person who is coming online. But if like today nobody was there, then definitely we will choose randomly somebody like what we did previously. Or the third is like if there are a lot of people watching the stream, then definitely we will spin the wheel and see the names and then we will give them out. Okay, right now for this stream we have 8 views so far. Live viewers 4. Oh, live viewers are 4. Where are the 4 viewers? They never comment. If you will never comment, how we will know you are online and viewing? And the
Yeah.
morning stream already 85 people have watched so far. And here, viewers. Okay, anybody listening to my voice, please type your just call, oh, sorry, Apple dashboard username and 100K in the chat of live stream, and then we will choose among of you, among whoever is watching. We will give you 100K account, one of you out of three you are watching. but you have to type. Then only we will know who is there. True.
Yes, I would have never missed a chance to get 100K instant account.
Definitely. But I tell you, what happens here, people think that CFL will they give the payout or not? Will they do this or not? The other programs do so much advertisement, so much high fees. Our fees is very low. Our payouts no complaints. They think there is no noise, there is no like movement. What is happening here? This like company is very quiet. You don't understand. We are quiet because we have a lot of people who are trading all the time and getting the payouts now and then and fully automated. Like sometime I wake up in the morning, I see, oh, uh, the message, our dashboard has the pop-up message. When you open, the pop-up message comes. Today, this is people. Sometimes 8 or 9 people already have get the withdrawal, and we don't know even because I do have to sleep. And when I'm sleeping, I wake up. They already done the withdrawals. It's automatically done. We don't have to. They don't have to wait for our approvals or anything. The moment they click withdrawal, it's processed. So that's where there
Wow,
is no noise. Other problems, a lot of people are complaining. Believe me, the firm you are trading, you can see that they are in the chat as well. A lot of people will say, "Oh, I didn't get the payout or this or that." A lot of people complain about the payouts. Every company, they
it's
reject them.
true.
They sometimes tell them that your trading was this, or your trading is that, or you have breached this rule. Here, you will never find anything. We don't say any rule breach. We have only one rule: peak liquidity in the CFL instant contest, and the other one we don't even have any rules. No drawdown, 100% drawdown allowed, no rules at all. And two, let's say people are doing the competition, only two, mean against each other. One definitely will be the winner, and that person will definitely get the payout. So that's how our CFL is doing. What we are getting the benefit is we are looking among all of these traders, which are the good ones. So if we find the good ones, we will definitely teach them the internal strategies. These are the basic I am giving all like to everyone, but there are some strategies which are very, very good one. We will pass it to them and let them trade on our pool and they will see a very good result. I used today one of the strategy, uh, like what you say, there was a market drop. I did a sell and I cash it down. In the morning, I actually saw that, like, I put that indicator on the system and it was showing me buy somewhere 4476.05. Still remember the numbers. And I didn't took that trade and later the market goes up and go and hit the target. And I'm looking, oh, what I have done. If I have traded, I should have got already like almost 500 pips. And then evening one, I bought almost just now, which I trade. Almost 300 pips game in the stock. So the answer is simple. It's profitable. Oh, reach already. We are talking, we didn't notice. Huh? Oh, reach already. Wow. See, can we see that?
Yeah,
Oh, never hit stop loss. Yay. We should have traded in the live real also. See, now you see this was the entry, this was the stop, correct? Yeah,
yeah.
here you stop, and this was the target already achieved. Done. That's how
Wow.
the works. And it's a 1 minute time. So in a daytime, you hit 4 or 5 times profit or 1 2 times loss even, but the stop loss are very near, but the profits are quite good. You will end up making definitely good profits. True. Like on this also, buy trade, stop loss, see here, and TP hit down 100 points. Beautiful trade also. Beautiful trade. So that's how the trading works. Simple, relaxing, no stress. Put the trade, forget even. After that, the trade hit the target, you are already done. Like just now we are talking, forget even this. I marked the signal. Did you remember that?
No, I got lost.
Yeah, I was talking to
We
you
were
out
just
of,
talking.
and I forget. That's why the alerts make the ping pong very loud noise, and then we already know. Okay, achieved, target achieved.
Wow.
That's how the system works, my friend. Uh, if anybody wants to learn more deeply any of the systems, more better to become consistent, definitely I will teach you the best things you will never ever heard even in this market. Like the risk management I am using with my EA, smart risk management dynamic. Nobody have heard about it. Nobody have used that kind of systems. Because I was very good in math, so I create definitely something special. Yeah, like my math teacher, one time he say that I am more genius than him. I can write the books on even say me that.
Wow.
Yeah, the reason he give me a question, I solve it in like a half page of my book, and the other guy was solving it. He was also good in maths in 2 pages of the book, like of his notebook. And he says, "Sir, his answer is wrong." The math teacher say, "First of all, let me understand how he did it. Then I will let you know whether it is wrong or." The math teacher asks how you did it. Then I explain him how I did it. He say, "You use different formulas, different style, but you solve it much better than the book as well. The way you solve it, answer is same. Like 1 plus 1 it should come 2, right? My answer was exactly same, but formulas I use is different. I use a different way to solve it." And he say at that time, the other boy, my classmate Sukhwinder, he say that, "Sir, this will this is wrong." He say, "Okay, you prove it how it is wrong, but the formulas are different." He say he used his brain to solve this, and you're using the book to remember and to solve this. You will forget after 2 3 years what you have done. He will never forget because he's creating. Means if you do,
Very few people do it like that. Like in school, though, very few people.
yeah. And I always
Wow.
get in my maths out of 100, because I solve all extra questions as well.
Extra
Oh,
question.
yeah, because I was very good in maths, so I very fast solve everything. A, B, option A, B, everything I solve. So when teacher, he say, "Look at his paper, look at his paper." I was good in maths.
Wow.
That's rest I was okay in other subjects. I was not genius. But when I put the effort, I come once in my life, third in the class as well. Yeah. Not first, third. But I put the effort, not too much, and everybody's saying, "Oh, you came third." Oh, really? I have to do this.
Mhm.
So the answer is simple. When you put the effort, you can do anything. That's how the trading is. I put a lot of effort, sort it out, and I understand a lot of points in it. That how it works, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and how it should be done. And when you do it in that way, definitely you are going to make good money. I'm not saying that you will never be able to make money. I'm saying that you will be able to make good money.
Makes sense.
Risk also is very important. If you're playing with the higher risk, no matter what you do, I've done that in the testing accounts. Played with the high risk, it ends up blowing the account, no matter what you do. So better is to always go with the small risk, own your account capital. But if you want to go with the higher risk, with the profits, you can really play that game, not with your capital. I will not recommend that as well. I do that with my profits. I play the game. Uh, Capital, I never play with. No matter what. Whatever you say, I will never play any game with my capital. Because once you start playing with the capital, you will become a gambler. No matter
True.
what you will automatically become a gambler. Why? Because your habit will become never mind next 10. And I will play this 10. Let's say you invested 10,000. You gamble it out. You lost. You arrange another 10. You lost. Another 10. You lost. It will become a habit. And to come out of that habit is very difficult. So the easy and simple answer is don't gamble when it comes to your own capital, risk to the lowest. You will say, oh, but I can take the risk. But the point is not here taking the risk. The point here is to earn the money without taking high risk and compound the money slowly, slowly. Even your 10K account becomes 20K in 6 months, it doesn't matter in 1 year. But from the 20 to make 40 will also take, let's say, same amount of time. But now your amount is double over. Make sense? And then from
Yes.
40 to 80 in same time frame 6 months if you make, now your account is again double. So that's how I am telling that you should take small risk, steadily grow the account, then again the double. Then that's how the people who make from 15,000 or $5,000 to millions, they compound their accounts. They were not taking that money out because they know that this is the capital, I don't have to lose it and I have to compound it. The other capital what they have, they keep it as a reserve for their house food or other things. If you put everything step by step, all this in here, you will lose everything, and then how you will have a backup for the food or family? So you cannot gamble like that. You only gamble what you think you shouldn't also lose and slowly compound it, double to double to double. You will not make uh, from 5,000 to 1 million in 1 year, but definitely with compounding effect, you can make into 3 to 5 or 7 years 1 million rupee with the systems, with the logics I told you, can. And the people who are trading from 5 years, 10 years, some people are trading for 15 years, they are hoping that they will make the double in like fast, 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 but they're losing non-stop from last 10 years. But if they have done the way I'm telling, up to now their account will be already reached to quite nice levels. That's how the other people are trading and making money. That's what I am going to trade this account, which I am showing for the everyone in the live stream in the morning. 6,003 capital now is around 7,000, dropped 3,000, almost losses there in a few days. But still, I am profitable than my 6,300 capital. My target is to make in this year at least 50K. With this, whatever I'm doing, if I reach that 50K, at least everybody will understand roughly it is tenfold, means not the double, it's 10 times. Like 5,000 becomes 10, then 5 becomes 15, means 200 full. Means your 100 rupee become 200 is already 100 times. Now it become 200 means it's 200% on your capital. But if you call it like compounding effect, then definitely it will be less. 5 become 10, 10 become 20, 20 become almost uh, 40, means 3 to 3.5 folds. But if you are taking as main capital as fold, then around 9 folds I'm talking about, hopefully, by end of this year. If I am able to do that, means you should also be able to do that. If you follow simple rules, risk low, carefully trade, go with selected trades, filter your trades. That's all. Simple. If you can write the trends, it's a beautiful one. I have write the trends. I have write so far one time my biggest trend ride was almost like 700 plus dollars, yeah, which is around 7,000 pips. I make on that trade 37%, 37% on 1 is to 37 R2R. It was really good profit. So simple point is go slow, go steady, take your time. Nobody is rushing you, nobody is pushing you. The moment you rush, you push yourself, you are losing, nobody else is losing. Like I did in few days, it's me I lose, nobody else is losing. I cannot blame others because of this, because of that. It's all me, my fault. I always look what is my fault rather than I'm looking other people's fault. Because why I should blame others? They have never said anything to me. It's me who opened the trade and closed the trade. So I'm responsible for all my actions. So,
True.
so Preeti ji, anything extra? Anything you want to ask? Any? Okay, today nobody claims the 100K. Today winner is Preeti. So we will
Oh,
pass her.
oh.
Yeah, in her account, the 100K details. I mean, sorry, I will pass the up credit. You purchase yourself and then you see how the process goes down also. And then
Okay.
you trade and see how the trading goes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No worries. Welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day, you too.
Take care. Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye.